Chapter 7. Let's learn Scratch 3. Insight points. In this chapter, you will learn what is Scratch, Staring Scratch 3, components of Scratch 3 window, different blocks of Scratch, moving a sprite, drawing shapes, saving a project, creating a new project, opening an existing project, exiting Scratch. Lavanya, have you ever seen the traffic lights on the roads? Yes, Mama. The signals turns green, yellow and red at regular intervals to control the traffic. This helps in preventing accidents and avoiding congestion on the roads. Yes, have you ever thought how the traffic lights change automatically? No. The traffic lights change with the help of programming or coding which runs in background to control the traffic lights. A computer would have no idea about what we are saying. Because a computer cannot think by itself and you cannot talk to it like a person. कंप्यूटर को अपनी सोचने की क्षमता नहीं होती और आप उससे आम भाषा में बात नहीं कर सकते. You have to give them instructions in special computer languages that computers can understand. It understands only a few special languages of its own called programming languages. Also, the number of words and the sentences that it understands are limited. उसे विशेष निर्देश देने के लिए प्रोग्रामिंग भाषाओं का उपयोग किया जाता है, जिसे कंप्यूटर समझ पाता है. कंप्यूटर कुछ विशेष प्रोग्रामिंग भाषाओं को ही समझता है और इन भाषाओं में दिए जाने वाले शब्द और वाक्य सीमित होते हैं. A programming language has a set of instructions called program for instructing a computer to perform specific tasks. प्रोग्रामिंग भाषा के तहत कंप्यूटर को दिए गए निर्देशों के सेट को प्रोग्राम कहा जाता है. In this chapter, we will learn about one of the easiest computer languages, Scratch. What is Scratch? It is easy to learn and use. Scratch was designed by the MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, Media Lab's Lifelong Kindergarten Group, led by Mitchell Resnick in 2003. स्क्रैच एक सरल प्रोग्रामिंग भाषा है जो आपको अपनी इंटरैक्टिव कहानियां, एनिमेशन, गेम, संगीत और कला बनाने की सुविधा देती है. इसे मिट, मैसाचुसेट्स इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी के मीडिया लैब के लाइफलॉन्ग किंडरगार्टन ग्रुप द्वारा 2003 में विकसित किया गया था. A Scratch is a simple programming language that lets you create your own interactive stories, animations, games, music and art. It is a computer application which you can use to give instructions that the computer understands. In Scratch, a program is saved as a project. You can simply drag and drop the blocks in the script area to create your code or scripts. That is why it is often referred to as block-based coding. Scratch का प्रयोग करके आप ऐसे निर्देश दे सकते हैं जिन्हें कंप्यूटर समझ सके. इसमें प्रोग्राम को प्रोजेक्ट के रूप में सेव किया जाता है और आप स्क्रिप्ट एरिया में ब्लॉकों को खींचकर और छोड़कर अपना कोड बना सकते हैं. इसलिए इसे ब्लॉक आधारित कोडिंग भी कहा जाता है. Starting Scratch 3. To start Scratch, follow these steps. 1. Click on the Start button. 2. Select Scratch 3. The Scratch window appears. Components of Scratch. Window. The various components of Scratch window are as follows. Costumes tab, Sound tab, Code tab, Blocks panel, Scripts area, Sprite, Stage, Add extension button. Sprite. Scratch projects are made up of objects. The most basic object in Scratch is the sprite. It is a small graphic character that performs actions in Scratch projects. There are many inbuilt sprites in Scratch. Cat is the default sprite in Scratch. Sprite Scratch प्रोजेक्ट का सबसे बुनियादी ऑब्जेक्ट होता है। यह एक छोटा ग्राफिक कैरेक्टर है जो स्क्रैच प्रोजेक्ट में कार्य करता है। स्क्रैच में कई इनबिल्ट स्प्राइट्स उपलब्ध हैं और कैट इसका डिफॉल्ट स्प्राइट है। स्टेज It is the main working area where all of the actions take place by the sprite as per the given instructions. It displays your creation. You can see your stories, games and animations created by you. यह मुख्य कार्य क्षेत्र है जहां स्प्राइट दिए गए निर्देशों के अनुसार क्रियाएं करता है। स्टेज पर आपके द्वारा बनाई गई कहानियां, गेम्स और एनिमेशन प्रदर्शित होते हैं। कोड टैब Script is a set of stepwise instructions given to the sprite to do a specific task. Each instruction is also called a command. It consists of the blocks panel and blocks palette and allows you to write a script. यह वह स्थान है जहां आप स्प्राइट को निर्देश देने के लिए स्क्रिप्ट लिखते हैं। स्क्रिप्ट में ब्लॉक पैनल और ब्लॉक पैलेट होते हैं। यहाँ से आप स्क्रिप्ट बनाने के लिए ब्लॉक को चुन सकते हैं और निर्देश दे सकते हैं। Blocks panel The block panel area lists the 9 categories of blocks: motion, looks, sound, events, control, sensing, operators, variables and my blocks. Related instructions are grouped together in a block. For example, all the movement-related instructions are listed when we select the motion block. Blocks palette The blocks palette contains a set of blocks that are used to program sprites and give actions to it. Each block is blocked with each other, just like a jigsaw puzzle. You can create scripts in Scratch. Costumes tab. It allows you to draw, import or edit images for a sprite. Here you find 2 images of the cat, called costumes. These costumes enable you to change the appearance of the sprite while your program is running, so that you can give it facial expressions and body movements. Sounds tab. It allows you to record or import sound files for a sprite to use. Script. A script is a collection of stepwise instructions that are given to a sprite to do a specific task. A script consists of at least 2 blocks. Scripts area. Scripts area is the place where you write the script for the sprite. Drag the instructions from the blocks palette and drop it in the scripts area to write a program. The blocks fit into each other as jigsaw puzzle blocks. Let us try drag and drop to put the instructions in the scripts. 1. Select the command to be moved. 2. Drag the command to the scripts area. 3. Drop into the scripts area. Different blocks of Scratch. The different blocks of Scratch are as follows. Motion blocks. Motion blocks in Scratch are used to control the movement of sprites. These blocks are dark blue in color and have 18 blocks under them. ये ब्लॉक स्प्राइट की गति को नियंत्रित करते हैं। ये गहरे नीले रंग के होते हैं और इनमें कुल 18 ब्लॉक होते हैं। Looks blocks. Looks blocks in Scratch are used to control the appearance of the sprite. These blocks are purple in color and have 20 blocks under them. ये ब्लॉक स्प्राइट के स्वरूप को नियंत्रित करते हैं। ये बैंगनी रंग के होते हैं और इनमें 20 ब्लॉक होते हैं। Sound blocks. Sound blocks in Scratch are used to control the sound functions. These blocks are dark pink in color and have 9 blocks under them. ये ब्लॉक ध्वनि से संबंधित कार्यों को नियंत्रित करते हैं। ये गहरे गुलाबी रंग के होते हैं और इनमें 9 ब्लॉक होते हैं। Events blocks. Events blocks in Scratch are used to manage the events which trigger the movement of the sprite. These blocks are yellow in color and have 8 blocks under them. ये ब्लॉक उन घटनाओं को प्रबंधित करते हैं जो स्प्राइट की गति को ट्रिगर करती हैं। ये पीले रंग के होते हैं और इनमें 8 ब्लॉक होते हैं। Control blocks. Control blocks in Scratch are used to control the scripts under some specific conditions. These blocks are amber in color and have 11 blocks under them. ये ब्लॉक विशेष स्थितियों के अंतर्गत स्क्रिप्ट को नियंत्रित करते हैं। ये एम्बर रंग के होते हैं और इनमें 11 ब्लॉक होते हैं। Sensing blocks. Sensing blocks in Scratch are used to sense or detect different factors of a project. These blocks are light blue or cyan in color and have 18 blocks under them. ये ब्लॉक प्रोजेक्ट के विभिन्न कारकों को पहचानने के लिए प्रयोग किए जाते हैं। ये हल्के नीले या सियान रंग के होते हैं और इनमें 18 ब्लॉक होते हैं। Operators blocks. Operators blocks in Scratch are used to perform mathematical operations and string handling. These blocks are green in color and have 18 blocks under them. ये ब्लॉक गणितीय क्रियाओं और स्ट्रिंग हैंडलिंग के लिए उपयोग किए जाते हैं। ये हरे रंग के होते हैं और इनमें 18 ब्लॉक होते हैं। Variables blocks. Variables blocks in Scratch are used to report the value of a variable. These blocks are orange in color and have 5 blocks under them. There is a subcategory of blocks under variable blocks known as list blocks. List blocks are used to manipulate different values in Scratch. These blocks are dark red in color and have 12 blocks under them. So, in total there are 17 blocks that fall under the title of variable blocks in Scratch. ये ब्लॉक वेरिएबल के मान की रिपोर्ट करते हैं। ये नारंगी रंग के होते हैं और इनमें 5 ब्लॉक होते हैं। इसके अंतर्गत एक उपश्रेणी होती है जिसे लिस्ट ब्लॉक्स कहा जाता है, जिसका उपयोग विभिन्न मानों को हेरफेर करने के लिए किया जाता है। My blocks. My blocks in Scratch are used to hold the procedure of selected sprites. These blocks are pink in color and have a Make a Block button using which customized blocks can be created. ये ब्लॉक कस्टमाइज्ड प्रक्रियाओं को संग्रहित करते हैं। ये गुलाबी रंग के होते हैं और इनके माध्यम से आप अपने ब्लॉक बना सकते हैं। स्क्रैच में ये ब्लॉक्स मिलकर स्क्रिप्ट बनाते हैं, जिससे आप अपनी कहानी, गेम या एनिमेशन को जीवंत बना सकते हैं। Moving a sprite. To move or turn the sprite around through different angles, use the blocks in the motion block category. Let us create our first Scratch project to move the sprite. 1. By default, the motion category is displayed on the left side of the Scratch window. Click on the Move 10 steps and drag it in the scripts area. 2. Now, change the number of steps 30 by typing in the number box. 3. Now, click on the 15 degrees block and drag it on the scripts area. Place it below the Move 30 steps block. 4. Keep clicking on any block in the scripts area. You will notice that the sprite moves the specified number of steps and then turns itself. Let us understand the use of the motion blocks, which you have used in the above project. This block is used to move the sprite by 30 steps in forward direction. This block is used to turn the sprite in clockwise direction. Drawing shapes. To draw shapes, you need the pen blocks, which are not available in the Blocks panel by default. To add pen blocks, click on the Add Extension button and select the pen thumbnail. The blocks of the Pen Blocks palette allow the sprite to draw lines on the stage, change the color and the thickness of lines. Let us draw a square on the stage. 1. Click on the pen block category in the blocks palette. 2. Click and drag pen down, set pen size to 1 and set pen color to 50 on the scripts area. 3. Click on the motion block category in the blocks menu. 4. Click and drag the move 10 steps and turn 15 degrees on the scripts area. 5. Now set the values of each block as shown below and click any of the block in the scripts area till the sprite completes square. Let us understand the use of the pen blocks, which you have used in the project. This block is used to draw line as the sprite moves on the stage. This block is used to set the thickness of the pen to a specific number. This block is used to set the color of the pen. You can also make a colorful square. Drag the following blocks and you will get the desired result. Let us understand the use of the pen blocks, which you have used in the above project. This block is used to change the color of the pen. Saving a project. To save a project in Scratch, follow these steps. 1. Click on the File menu. 2. Select the Save to your computer option. 3. The Save as dialog box appears. Type the name for your project in the File Name text box. 4. Click on the Save button. Creating a new project. To create a new project, follow these steps. 1. Click on the File menu. 2. Select the New option. Opening an existing project. To open an existing project, follow these steps. 1. Click on the File menu. 2. Select the Load from your computer option. 3. The Open dialog box appears. Select the project you want to open. 4. Click on the Open button. The selected project opens in the Scratch window. Exiting Scratch. To exit Scratch, simply click on the button present on the top right corner of the Scratch window.